Nguyễn Bảo Anh. I'm 8 years old and this is my younger sister.
Hello everyone, my name is Nguyễn Bảo Anh. I'm 6 years old.
Now we are talking about farm animals. What animal is it?
It's goat.
Do you like goat milk?
Yes, I love it.
I like goat milk too. Do you like cow?
Yes, I like because cow milk is yummy.
Yes, I like cow too. What animal is it?
It's horse.
How many horses are there?
One horse.
What color is it?
It's brown.
Do you like horse?
No, I don't like horse.
What animal is it?
It's donkey.
What color is it?
It's gray.
Yes, it's gray. Do you like donkey?
No, I don't like.
I like donkey because it's cute and good. Do you like dog?
Yes, I like because it's very ugly.
And I don't like dog because it's ugly and not cute. What animal in the pond?
It's duck.
How many ducks are there?
2 ducks.
Yes. What color is it?
It's white.
Do you like duck?
Yes, I like because it's very cute and nice.
Do you like rooster?
Yes, I like.
Do you like hen?
Yes, I like hen because it's very cute.
I like hen because it gives me many eggs. Do you like chicken?
Oh, I
like chicken too because it's very cute. Do you like goose?
No.
What color is it?
It's gray.
Yes, it's gray. I don't like goose too. Goodbye everyone. See you tomorrow.